All right, guys. I think we might have an issue with the cougar house. Here we go. This is where my fire alarm goes. This tells me there's power there. Problem is, I went to put this guy in right here. And I'll see if I can get it to do it again. See that? This sucker was blowing up earlier. You hear that? I'm thinking this fire alarm is definitely haunted. I mean, I'm no Ghostbuster, but what in the world? Come on. Oh, it was running. Look at that. I can't. Look, I'm not even touching it. Yeah. I'm pretty sure some pyro. Bit the dust came back as a fire alarm. Here's my haunted fire alarm. Cougar house continues.